Hi, it's Cathy and today I'm going to show you how to get a smooth blend using Chameleon colour tone pencils. Begin by stamping 3 balloons from the Sweet Wishes Penny Black stamp set onto Strathmore coloured pencil paper. Then take pencil number 16, which is Caribbean Sea and Bay Blue, and using side number 1, which is Bay Blue, applying light pressure, colour over the whole of the area of the balloon. You can achieve a lighter pressure by holding the pencil furthest away from the lead. Then slide the hand nearer to the middle of the pencil and start from a third of the way in and colour again outwards towards the edge of the balloon. This will give a slightly firmer pressure. I'm actually using really small circles. Then flip the pencil to the Caribbean Sea side, number 2, and apply light pressure again to the very edge of the balloon. Gradually work into the lighter area and then intensify the colour by applying a firmer pressure out towards the edge. Flip back to the lighter side and then blend this colour into the darker colour again. Keep repeating this process until you have a smooth transition of blend between the light and the dark pencil colours. As a tip, it is sensible to keep your pencil nib as sharp as possible. By rotating the nib as you colour, it will keep the pencil sharp for longer. Repeat the process for the middle balloon using the Strawberry and Lychee number 8 pencil, starting with side number 1, working in small circles with a very light pressure. Flip to the strawberry side of the pencil and colour over half of the balloon, again working outwards with light pressure to add that base colour in the darker shade. Keep flipping between the lighter and darker shades of the pencil, blending in along where the colours meet. Also apply firmer pressure again out towards the edges, gradually building up the layers of colour as you go. Continue to gradually build the layers of wax up on the balloon, intensifying the pressure as you go out towards the edges. Again, blending in the more firm pressure areas with the lighter pressure areas. Repeat this process and keep flipping between the dark and the light pencil until the whole balloon has been coloured and blended. For the final balloon, take lemon peel and grapefruit pencil number 2. Work with side number 1 lemon peel and cover the balloon with a light shading to begin. Then flip to the grapefruit side, again using a light pressure, gradually work out towards the edge, intensifying the pressure gradually by adding layers as you work out towards the edge of the balloon. Keep flipping and blending in as you go. All 3 balloons are now blended. Thanks for watching.